If you're seeing Steam error 11, you're not alone, and the good news is that this is usually fixable. In many cases, Steam error 11 can point to a failed trade offer, an interrupted update, a corrupted download chunk, missing files, memory issues, or even a software conflict. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the best step-by-step fixes to get Steam working again as quickly as possible. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's start with the easiest and most common fix. Clearing the download cache. If a game update or file download was interrupted, Steam may keep trying to resume from a corrupted chunk of data, and that can trigger error 11 again and again. To do this, open Steam and click on Steam in the top left corner, then go into Settings and choose Downloads. Once you're in the Download section, look for the option that says Clear Download Cache and click it. Steam will warn you that it needs to restart, so confirm the action. After that, Steam will close, restart, and ask you to sign back in. This step alone solves a lot of update and download related issues, so it's definitely worth trying first. If the error still appears after that, the next step is to verify the integrity of your game files. This is especially useful if the problem is happening with only one specific game. In your Steam library, right-click the game that's giving you trouble, then choose Properties. From there, go to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan the installation and replace any missing, damaged, or corrupted files automatically. Depending on the game size, this may take a few minutes, but it's one of the best ways to repair file-related problems without reinstalling the entire game. Now, if you're still getting Steam error 11, the next thing to do is fully restart both Steam and your PC. Don't just close the window normally, because sometimes Steam continues running in the background. Open Task Manager and make sure Steam is completely closed. If you see any Steam processes still active, end them manually. Then restart your computer. A full reboot clears temporary memory issues, resets background processes, and can fix conflicts that may be causing the runtime error. Once your PC starts back up, launch Steam again and test it one more time. Another important step is checking your antivirus and firewall settings. Sometimes security software blocks Steam from accessing the files or servers it needs, which can lead to errors during updates, login, or game launching. Open your antivirus app and make sure Steam is allowed. If you're using Windows Defender Firewall, go into the allowed apps list and confirm that Steam is not blocked on either private or public networks. If needed, temporarily disable your antivirus just long enough to test whether it's causing the issue. If Steam works after that, then you know the security software is the problem and you can create a proper exception instead of leaving protection turned off. If none of that has fixed it yet, try running Steam as an administrator. This can help when the issue is related to file permissions or Windows blocking Steam from writing to certain folders. To do this, right-click the Steam shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. If that fixes the error, you can also set Steam to always run with admin privileges by opening Properties, going to Compatibility, and enabling the Administrator option. This can be a simple but effective fix, especially if the issue happens when Steam tries to update or access protected files. At this point, if Steam error 11 is still showing up, you may be dealing with a deeper issue like software conflict, a bad update, or a corrupted installation. In that case, checking for conflicting apps, disabling overlays, or reinstalling Steam may be the next step, but in most cases, the fixes I showed you here will solve the problem, especially clearing the download cache, verifying the files, and restarting Steam properly. So to recap, if you get Steam error 11, start by clearing the download cache, then verify your game files, fully restart Steam and your PC, check your antivirus and firewall, and finally run Steam as administrator. Those steps cover the most common causes and give you the best chance of fixing it fast. If this video helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful gaming and PC troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.